Welcome to the 6th episode of the GrowthStart Insights podcast. In this episode, we'll be discussing digital products, how to sell them online, and how to choose the correct one for you. Now, please like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube or on any of the podcast channels available. We really appreciate it, and that keeps us making more content that's valuable to you. Now, let's jump into it. So you're probably asking, what types of digital products are there out there? Now, typically when we think about a digital product, we'll probably think in the lines of software or an application. Now, those two examples are fantastic. However, you either need to be a programmer yourself or you need large amounts of capital to hire developers to actually do the development of that app for you. Now, it might not be that easy to start off with, especially if it's your first time in e-commerce. Another alternative to that is an information product. Now, information products are fantastic because you package your knowledge and experience into a digital product. Now, the questions you need to ask yourself is, what am I knowledgeable about? What do I have experience in? What am I interested in? And what value can I provide to the customer? Okay, great. So information product it is. But is it really that easy to get an information product together? The answer is no. You have to really in detail research your market, your customer, and research how you are going to better that product. So it will also require large amounts of time upfront to package your product together, especially if you're looking at something more detailed like an online course. Which type of information product should I choose then? So there are different kinds of information-based products. Typically we'll think about an ebook, an online course, an audiobook. What about an online worksheet or calculators? All of those work fantastically, and all of those can make money for you online if you solve that correct problem and sell it to the right people. Now, ebook is fantastic if you are knowledgeable and you can write about the problem that you're solving and solve that problem for your customer within that ebook. If you feel better speaking, then an audiobook is fantastic for you. If you want to go more detailed, an online course is definitely the way to go. This would be a combination of video, audio, and text. Now you'll really have to think about what you are most comfortable with and in which way you can better transfer that information, knowledge, and experience. The most important thing to remember is that if that product is not valuable to the customer, you won't have a customer. And how do we make a product valuable? Now, the key in that is to solve a problem. Whatever you are experienced in, whatever you are knowledgeable about, think about what kind of problem people experience in that area. If you can solve one of those problems, or perhaps better solve that problem than someone else, you've got a product worth selling.